What should I do if my HP printer prints blank pages even after replacing the cartridge?
Hello everyone, in today's video, we will be tackling a common issue with HP printers, printing blank pages even after replacing the cartridge. This problem can arise due to several reasons, and we will be going through the steps to troubleshoot this issue.
Are you using a genuine HP cartridge?
First and foremost, ensure that you are using a genuine HP cartridge. Non-genuine or refilled cartridges may lead to poor print quality or printer performance issues. If you've been using a non-HP cartridge, consider switching to an original one to see if it solves the problem.
Have you removed the protective tape?
After replacing a new cartridge, always remember to remove the protective tape from the cartridge. The tape is there to protect the cartridge during transportation, and if not removed, it will prevent the ink from coming out.
Is the cartridge properly installed?
It's essential to make sure that the cartridge is properly installed in your printer. Ensure the cartridge is fully inserted and locked into place. If you're unsure about the installation process, you can refer to the user manual of your HP printer for detailed instructions.
Is the print head clogged?
A clogged print head might be another reason for your printer printing blank pages. The print head is where the ink comes out of the cartridge and onto the paper. Over time, ink can dry up and block the nozzles. To fix this, use the printer's built-in print head cleaning feature. This process will vary depending on your printer model, but you can typically find this option in your printer settings or maintenance menu.
Are your printer settings correct?
Lastly, make sure your printer settings are correctly set. It may sound simple, but sometimes, you might accidentally select options that cause your printer to print blank pages. So, check the settings in the printer driver to ensure they're set up correctly. We hope that this video has helped you understand why your HP printer might be printing blank pages even after replacing the cartridge. Remember to use genuine cartridges, install them properly, keep your print heads clean, and double-check your printer settings. If all else fails, consider reaching out to HP support or a professional technician for help. Thanks for watching, and happy printing!